we're off. Manchester United against Real Madrid. Here's Van Persie. Can he put it away? Rooney's got it. Denied by the post. Oh, so close. Van Persie. Goal! Manchester United! And there's the first goal of the game. Well, what can you say about that goal?
That's a striker's dream. Unmarked in front of goal. It was on a plate for him and he wasn't going to miss it.
We didn't have to wait long for the first goal. Cleverly, has gone in hard there, maybe too hard. Rafael Varane is there to intercept. Khedira. Ferdinand, he moves in swiftly. Thumps it long. Rafael Varane. Mesut Ozil. Khedira. Khedira was fouled and he gets his free kick.
Well, I think it might be a touch too far to have a go at goal, but I've been proven wrong in the past and maybe again.
And still rising.
Well, that free kick looked too far out for a shot.
And Carrick. He takes him out. Steals it. Van Persie shoots. It's a really good try, but no goal.
Oh, he couldn't have hit that any better. Any other time it would have sneaked in. That will encourage another try, though.
Khedira. An opportunity for Real Madrid. And he's given away a free kick. No, it's gone over.
Oh, it's miles away. Surely he knew he couldn't score from there.
Ferdinand. Here's Van Persie. Van Persie. Van Persie shoots, wins the ball. He scores! 2 goals to the good, and they're set fair. The keeper just didn't deal with it, and his team has paid the price.
If it's the last line of defence and you don't get it right, then you're paying a visit to your net.
So it's now 2 without